Good morning, this is your severe weather outlook for Wednesday, October 28, 2020. I am Extreme Weather's AI meteorologist, James Johnson. Here are your severe weather headlines in under a minute. First, Hurricane Zeta continues to intensify over the Gulf of Mexico before making landfall across southeastern Louisiana later this afternoon. Second, widespread heavy rain expected to expand eastward from the Central Plains to the northern mid-Atlantic during the next couple of days. Third, snow and ice today across the southern high plains will taper off tonight. And finally, fire risks diminishing across the southwest. Areas of snow, sleet, and freezing rain will slowly taper off across portions of the southern plains today as warmer air is drawn north ahead of Zeta. Zeta is forecast to bring hurricane conditions, life-threatening storm surge, and heavy rainfall to portions of the northern Gulf Coast by Wednesday evening. Heavy rainfall is expected through Thursday along Zeta's track to the mid-Atlantic. And now here is your detailed severe weather outlook for today. A very volatile weather pattern continues to unfold from across the central U.S. to the deep south for the next couple of days as an energetic cold upper-level low associated with a winter storm interacts more closely with Hurricane Zeta, which is beginning to expand in size and intensify more rapidly over the Gulf of Mexico. The cold upper low will deliver additional snowfall and ice for the southern high plains today, before ending as mostly rain tonight. Meanwhile, Hurricane Zeta is forecast to intensify further over the Gulf of Mexico before making landfall across the coast of southeastern Louisiana later this afternoon. Strong southerly flow aloft ahead of the upper low will transport tropical moisture northward from the Gulf and interact with a stalled front extending across the deep south and the Appalachians. This will result in heavy rain to quickly expand eastward from the Central Plains to the mid-Mississippi Valley and the southern Appalachians today, followed by the Ohio Valley, the Central Appalachians and much of the northern mid-Atlantic states on Thursday. The most hazardous weather conditions will be near and along the track of Hurricane Zeta. Winds and rain will steadily increase near the Louisiana coast this morning before hurricane conditions and storm surge arriving with the core of Zeta during the afternoon today. Potentially damaging wind gusts can extend well inland near the track of Zeta as it accelerates across interior southeastern U.S. and the Appalachians from tonight into Thursday, and then across the mid-Atlantic later on Thursday. 2 to 4 inches of rain with isolated amounts of 6 inches can be expected from the Central Plains eastward to the northern mid-Atlantic, as well as along Zeta's track during the next couple of days. By Thursday night into early on Friday, the core of Zeta should be embedded within a large low-pressure system complex, while weakening quite a bit and losing tropical characteristics as it tracks across the southern Appalachians into the mid-Atlantic. However, winds associated with Zeta could still pack quite a punch along with heavy downpours. The entire storm system will be in the process of exiting the east coast early on Friday. Some wintry precipitation can be expected over interior New England as the northern edge of the storm system brushes across the region. Relatively tranquil and cold weather is expected for the northern U.S., while warmer than normal weather is expected for much of the west. Over the southwest, Santa Ana winds continue to subside as the pressure gradient weakens further. However, the fire risk remains at an elevated level for parts of Southern California and the southern Great Basin for today. This is James Johnson reporting for Extreme Weather. Our daily severe weather outlooks are derived from the National Weather Service Weather Prediction Center, located in College Park, Maryland. Our audio outlooks AI technology is developed, recorded and digitally mastered by Jarvis Media Group, headquartered in Montgomery County, Texas. Have a great hump day, Wednesday. Let's all stay weather aware. And thank you for listening.
This broadcast is made possible in part by Extreme Weather. Funding for this broadcast is provided in part by our viewers and their donations. We would like to thank our viewers for their continued support of this extreme weather program. Thank you for listening and please check back often for further weather updates that may impact you and your area.